Your car's engine is a complex machine made up of many parts working together, but one key component plays a crucial role in turning fuel into motion: the crankshaft. Today we'll explore what a crankshaft is, how it works, and why it's so important for your car's performance. The crankshaft is a long metal rod located at the bottom of your engine. It connects to the pistons, and its main job is to convert the up and down motion of the pistons into rotational motion. Here's how it works. Inside the engine, when the fuel mixture in the cylinders ignites, it causes a controlled explosion that pushes the pistons down. These pistons move up and down in a linear motion. The crankshaft, which is connected to the pistons, uses a system of throws or eccentric parts to turn that up and down motion into rotational motion. As the pistons move down, they push on the crankshaft, which rotates. This rotation is what ultimately turns the engine's output into rotational power that's transferred to the wheels through the drivetrain. The crankshaft is essential because it directly impacts the engine's ability to create power. It's responsible for taking the energy generated by combustion and converting it into usable mechanical energy to move your car. A well-designed crankshaft helps the engine run smoothly, keeps the car's power output consistent, and contributes to better fuel efficiency. Without the crankshaft, the engine couldn't convert the energy from combustion into rotational power. If the crankshaft fails, it can cause major engine issues. A damaged crankshaft can result in engine misfire, poor performance, or even total engine failure. That's why keeping the crankshaft in good condition is critical for your car's reliability. To keep your crankshaft in good working order, proper maintenance is essential. This means regularly checking your oil and ensuring your engine is properly lubricated. The crankshaft needs good lubrication to minimize friction, prevent damage, and allow it to work smoothly for a long time. So next time you start your car, remember that the crankshaft is quietly working behind the scenes, converting energy from combustion into rotational power that drives your wheels. It's an integral part of making sure your car performs efficiently and reliably. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your car in top shape.